Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. In today's video, let us see how to prepare unique cauliflower recipe. I'm sure you have never tried this before, so watch the video till the end and you can have an amazing healthy cauliflower recipe. My kids and family, they totally loved it and just finished within minutes. And if you try the same by watching the video till the end, I'm sure your family members will love it too and ask this only whenever you bring home cauliflower. So let us see how to prepare. First of all, take a cauliflower and wash it nicely, and then you need to cut it into pieces as shown here. That is, you need to cut it in the shape of a small flower, leaving the stalk at the bottom and small cauliflower buds at the top like this. Now repeat the process and complete the cauliflower. For this recipe I have taken one whole cauliflower. Now for steaming I have taken a bamboo plate. You can take any steamer plate, that is a plate with holes. Now I have taken an idli cooker, and then I have placed a stand and a bowl of water, and I'm placing this bamboo plate on top of it. So I'm steaming it for 12 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Do not over steam because that may become into a paste like consistency later. Steaming is a very healthy option because if you boil cauliflower, you have to throw the water out, and that is not healthy. And put it aside. Now take a bowl and add 1 full glass of water and give it a nice boil. Later add 6 bundles of neatly washed spinach into it and allow it to cook for 1 minute, and then switch off the stove and add cool water and put it aside. Now take a bowl and add 1 full cup of chickpea flour or besan, and then chili powder, ajwain or carom seeds, cumin powder and coriander powder, turmeric and salt to taste, and mix all the dry ingredients well. Now take a blender and add cooled spinach into it with 2 chilies and blend it into a puree without adding any water. Now mix the spinach puree slowly without any lumps formed, and you need to mix it thoroughly. You need to add all entire puree and then check for the consistency, and then only add water little by little. Do not add water at a time, that may spoil your batter. So check for the consistency little by little, and then you need to add a little bit of baking soda and then a little bit of water again. So your batter should not be too pouring consistency nor too hard that the cauliflower doesn't get dipped into it. Now our batter is ready. Now our cauliflowers are perfectly steamed. Now see, this should be your perfect consistency. I'm showing you. Take a cauliflower and then dip it into the batter. So once you dip it into the batter, leave the stalk behind. Don't coat that with the batter. See, it's not dropping down. This is the perfect one. Repeat the process with the entire cauliflowers. Now take a pan and add oil for deep fry and then heat it nicely. Check for the heat and then drop the cauliflowers one by one. Here I have added one by one in order to avoid clumsiness. So it's up to you. So put it on low flame because our oil is already heated. If you drop it on the high flame only, what happens is it turns into brown color that gets burnt on the outer side but doesn't cook well on the inner one. So see, this is perfectly done. You don't need to overcook because we have already steamed cauliflower, so just the batter need to cook. So just put it on medium flame or low flame and then repeat the process with the entire cauliflowers, and that's it. Our amazing green cauliflower recipe is all ready. Serve it hot, and trust me, within no time your family members and you are going to finish this. This is that yummy and that crispy. The outer part is crispy and the inner part is so juicy and so, like I just can't explain it, but that is so tempting. You see, I can surely say that you are going to enjoy this healthy recipe. So please do give it a try with your family members and enjoy this recipe. And also this is so healthy because we are steaming here and no nutrients or nutritional values goes out or drained out. So please do give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Please subscribe our channel and like, share and comment. Thank you.